Hi friends, welcome back to Keeping Up with Miss Electra, and today I'm going to show you how I decorated my mantle and what I use. Really fun, so I think you guys are going to enjoy it, and I hope I inspire you guys so you can decorate your mantle or any other part in your house for 4th of July. So right now I'm going to turn the camera around and give you a closer look so you can see how I decorated the mantle. Alright, so that's all I decorated for 4th of July. Right here is the mantle and the barn ladder. I just put some stars. Right here I put the pillows from Pottery Barn. So I didn't do too much. I decorated a little this couch and just put hydrangeas in that little, I guess, bucket. So right here I mostly decorated the mantle. Oh, and down here I put the basket and this pillow from Pottery Barn. I think that was last year. I love that pillow. Wish you were here. I put the basket, I put the mailbox, and then I put a little fern next to it. And then I just decorated the top with everything that I picked up from Michael's this year. So right here that's a eucalyptus tree. And then that is the Uncle Sam, and then this tin, I bought that a while ago at Pier 1 Import, and these USA is from the Dollar Spot last year, and then these are from Michael's this year. So I didn't do too much, I just love the way it came out, so I'm gonna leave it like that. And yeah, so that's what I did for 4th of July. I hope Alright, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. I will see you in my next video. And I hope you guys have a beautiful and safe 4th of July. And see you in my next video. Bye.